Hey guys, so I finally got my planishing hammer finished to the most part. I still have some work to do with the dies and stuff like that, but I did get my shafts all done with my quick pins, so I kind of wanted to share this with you. And I've been drilling the holes, so these here are the quick pins, and I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. So basically I come up with this solution to where if I'm working in the machine that way, or if I have a bigger panel and I want to come this way, I can obviously turn both of them, you know, and those pins will slide in. So I can work it both directions. So what I'm going to do here, these are the linear stretching dies. And I'm going to adjust this. I'm just going to do this little panel for you guys. And it's going to get loud. I'm going to hook it up and stuff like that. So, but basically I'm just going to stretch this. This is, you could use a shrinker stretcher, but you might have to get into a panel that's a little bit more. So this is less marring. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And then I'm going to plug in the air so you guys can, and then I'm just going to work it. So it's hard to tell. So it's hard to tell, but it is working. So let me grab a straight edge. So this was a perfectly sheared piece. I'm going to show you. I've already stretched it. As you guys can see, the light between the panel and I'm touching it. So those are the linear stretching dies. I'm in the process of making more dies and stuff like that, but so far, I mean, it's pretty decent. I'd kind of probably like a better locking mechanism if I was to build it again, and I still may re-engineer this somehow. I don't know how exactly, but it's still noisy, but it's not as noisy with the filled with the mortar. But as you guys can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. And I'll grab the phone. So as you guys can see, it's just these push pins. I could take these out. I'll leave that one in. And I'll spin it down here. There it goes. I have grease in there, so it's a little tight, but obviously you could pull the dies out. You could flip them 90 degrees if you wanted to go the other route. And just like that, it's in. They hold pretty tight. Let me see. See, that one still needs a, there we go. So it's pretty, I like it, that I could do that and switch them 90. So if you're building one, I'd probably highly recommend it. Just so you can flip them. I mean, it's that quick. So it works, but I just wanted to share with you guys, it's the finished product of the Planishing hammer. It's not a, I mean, it's a heavy duty one, but it's not like a Bailey's monster one. And what I might eventually do, I don't know if this hammer's only so powerful. I don't think I need to do stuff like a Yoder hammer and put braces down. I mean, it's gonna flex, but this is for smoothing. This isn't for Yodering out. So I kind of want to share with you guys the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. I have other parts of the build on there, but now that this is the main mechanism, you guys can see. And then you just get that up to where you want it, and then obviously latch it down. So I did this like an English wheel, so that keeps this from rotating. And then another thing too, depending on your panel, if you're curving down on this side or that side, you could put these pins in adjacent to, so you could actually do it that way. So if you have the panel, maybe it rolls here and you're just trying to get it to stretch this way and it's coming down, you could move it around. So I think it's pretty much how you want to build it. This is how I designed it. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, it's a great power or little planishing hammer to planish out what I need to planish out. I've obviously got more dies that I'll be making and purchasing and stuff like that. So you guys stay tuned, and I've got another video, new project in the shop, so stay tuned, and I'll show you what we get to do to that.